Setting the time on your Signature Series spa is simple and only takes a moment. Start by tapping the screen to wake up the display. Then press the 1 and 2 icons to enter the main menu. From there, tap the Settings icon, then select the Time icon. Tap on the hour. Once it's highlighted, use the up and down arrow to make adjustments. Next, tap on the minutes. Once it's highlighted, adjust using the arrows. When the correct time is set, tap the check mark again to save your changes. And that's it. Your spa is now set to the correct time. Just one more way to keep everything running smoothly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to check out more spa maintenance videos from The Great Escape. See you next time.